How to make Wi-Fi streaming quality on basic on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make Wi-Fi streaming quality on basic on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer and then click this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and then click audio. This one, second one here in preferences settings. Click on it and here you will find streaming quality settings. Now just select Wi-Fi, click on it, and as you see now you can change it. Just manage here until you want. You can make it basic if you want. Click on it and go back. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.